In this lesson, I want to reveal some secrets that most web designers, wouldn't want you to know. The truth of the matter is that when you want to create a website, you go to some website, freelancing website like Upwork or Freelancer or whatever site they have, and you hire someone to be able to design a site for you. And they tell you, they can do this and do that. But what they're not telling you is that what they are able to do, you can be able to set up very simple and clean websites. Let me show you. Websites, you can use the pre-built system here or a template to build your website in minutes. So let me click on this here from a blank canvas, click on add template. Now, when I click on add template here, if you're building a website and you don't know where to start, you don't know what to do, what type of content you want to put on there, all that you have to do is you go to the sections and you scroll. You can either do this, you can click here on the drop down and it gives you each portion of your website. So you scroll down here based on the content that you want to put in your website. You have absolutely everything that you need here to build a very, very solid website. And then you go over here to the pages. Now with the pages, this is a complete website that is ready to go. And we're going to take a look at each one, not each one, but we're going to take a look at it later on as examples. But you just scroll through here and you choose the one that you want to go with. Okay, so let's say that you want to, you're a creative person and you want to go with this option where you kind of pick and choose the layout of how your website looks. Okay, so let's start first with this. Let's do this together. So you can go to the all or the about. So let's come right here. Now, as you're scrolling through, these are the different headers that you can be able to use. So you scroll through and say, do you like this one? Do you like this one? Whichever one that you like, whichever ones that fit what you're going for. Okay. I'm just going to choose this hosting one, click to insert. And just like that, I have a header part, for the website that I'm building. Now I'm ready again to add a different section. I love how this looks. Let me add a different section. Click on add templates. And I'm going to go down. And once again, you can use the drop down here as well if you want to. So let's go to, let's see here. Let's go to business. Let's see what business have. So this is the options that you have. Let's go down here again and let's see a content block. Okay, so this content block, I like this content block. I click insert. Now I'm on the second level of my page and let me go here again, add template. And I'm going to go here and let's see what do I want to add. Do I want to add clients? I'll see how that looks. No, I don't want to add the clients yet. Let me see. Do I want to add marketing? Okay, so I click insert. And all I'm doing is I'm just going through each section and just looking at the designs that I like or the designs that are closest to what I'm trying to create. And I go here. I like this one. Let me go down and see what else do I want to add. Let me see. I want to add a partner. So I want to add a pricing, a service. Okay, let's check the service out. Scroll down. All right, so I like this service. No, let's choose this one. I like this one here. And I've added the service. Now let's, okay, I'm feeling this, right? So I love what's going on. I want to keep building. Once again, you're building a custom page from scratch just by dragging things from different parts. Let's grab, what else do we want to grab on here? Let's grab a team. So I go through the team. What type of team's design do I like? Once again, this is subjective. You can choose any design you like. So I like this one. So let's insert it. So I've inserted a team. Now let's go back to the very top. And you can see just by clicking sections, you're building a website literally right before your eyes. You're building something incredible just by dragging and dropping. So let's go add let's see if we can add one more. So let's go in here and let's say I wanted to add some pricing. So I'm going to click on the price. And then I have the options here for the different pricing layouts that I want. I can scroll down. So I like this one. I'm going to click insert. And just like that, you have successfully created a landing page for your business. Now, all that you have to do is you want to come here and you want to start changing the content. You click to edit. You can edit the content as you like. Let me just move this over here. So get a quality web hosting company. You can change the content literally every thing on this page you can change. So you don't like what this says, you click to edit and you can change the wording for it, and you click apply. So you go through the entire page, and whatever is closest to what you're looking for, that is what you go for. So this is one of the secrets that I always tell people, is that when you're creating websites, it's not as complicated as most designers make you believe, because they have to tell you that in order to charge you more. Especially if you're a beginner. If you're starting a new business, you don't have a clue what to do, they will tell you some fancy stuff, use fancy words, when in reality, when you hire them, what I'm doing right now, this is exactly how they're going to be creating your website. So you can do this for yourself, or you can do this as a business. But as you can see, it's very simple. Now, this is a secret that I'll just share with you that most web designers would not want you to know. But I shared it with you because it's going to save you time, and it's going to save you money, and it can also make you money.